guys, happy summer season! Yay! It's summertime! Oh yeah! But it's summer, but I'll be spending most of the summer at school because we have this so-called mid-year class. Yeah, if you don't know what that is, just Google it and you'll know. Anyway guys, see you at school. Good morning! I'm at school, you guys. The weather is kind of gloomy today, which is odd for summer because it should be sunny now. But hopefully the sun will be out later and the clouds will give way for the king of the sky. 3, 2, 1, yay! Hi guys! Happy New Year! Hi Crystal! Hi Chessa! Hello! How's your vacation?
It was so fun sleeping.
How do you feel about mid-year class?
Exhausting.
Hi Leslie! How do you feel about spending your summer here at school? You should be swimming in the beach, you know?
No.
How do you feel about your summer? 2025
I feel nothing.
Wow, nonchalant. Emotion.
I just don't feel the summer.
Yeah. Wala mo na feel ng summer. Sige, sige. Bye, guys. No, bye. Just finished our first class. We just went over our course syllabus and like orientation. Now we're headed to our next class because this mid-year I'll be taking 2 courses, 3 unit per course. So that's a total of 6 units. No class. So where are we going today? Where are we going now? Hi Andrea.
I'm also taking a pig.
What?
Asata.
You're vlogging too.
Asata.
A vlog within a vlog. Where do you think we're going today? We're going to the city.
Market.
We're going to the market. We're gonna eat lunch. It's 10:35. I have my baon, balot. So we need to buy because we don't have money. Yeah, girl. We're saving for the rainy days. Hi! Introduce your name, yourself.
My name is Joanna.
Yes.
My name is Pearl. I'm single, ready to mingle. Ayun, na-upload ha.
Bala ka! Siya si Amon. Kailan mo ni mo reset Amon?
Bye.
Yatong ate. Bye!
Welcome to Central.
We're at school! We should be swimming in the Pacific Ocean! Sorry, Jay. Sorry. Sa baongon kay turtle-ngon ba? Sa English sa baongon. Question of the day ng TV. Sa English sa baongon.
Pomelo.
Pomelo 1, ikalawang katawan. Pomelo 2, kumimbot ng danis. Okay. Truth or dare? Sige, truth or dare? Truth or dare? Saan pilion?
True.
Truth. Isa yung pinaka-hate sa atong classmates.
Ikaw?
better not try. I'm telling you why.
Hoy, kanta ba na ni Justin Bieber? Sorry, Justin Bieber.
Mas
My
nice ang
friend
cover.
is like ruining your song. Your cover of this song. You better not pout. You better not cry. Mix up ang mix it. Wala ta truth,
Sige,
or
truth
dare.
or dare?
Dare. Dare ko nga,
Dare.
banggan ko na nga sa kinan.
Ayaw, kabutan nga tala ko alam. May nakalas bitaw nga dapat.
Dare, ibang pilian.
Bitot as
Truth or dare? Dare. Kasi akong ilok. Bad comments about me. Let's start with Leslie.
Usa nga category.
Everything. Everything under the sun.
Eh, tagal na kung batasan din i-parate.
Okay,
bata.
bata.
Sa imo.
Batasan. Napaingon. Ano man inyong gi-age?
Magpalit mo na slice bread.
Sige, sige, go!
Ay, kibali mo yung kabuutan ko. I-rate na ko up to 5. Kung...
No! Ibutang.
Sige na, sige na. Ikaw,
Descriptive.
sige na.
Nang bati siyang batasan.
Ay,
Plastic.
na, kadili magutan.
Ay, nana. Nana. Hanggang na lang kuan ko ka ng hyper full buzzling with kinetic energy.
ADHD naman dito.
Yeah! ADHD! Wala pa ko na-diagnose. But who knows, si Leslie diagnose kuan.
Kapit ako ma-doctor.
Si Ivy, i-rate si Leslie.
Wala mo tabi.
11 na kayo mag-bet siya. Yung
11
batasan.
over 10.
Yung batasan.
10 over 10.
I-rate daw niyo sila sa yung batasan. 10 ang pinakabuutan.
1.5.
2.
Yung all of that.
99.9. Just na pwede siya mag-BH.
Negative 0.
Yay! Ang rate bitaw ni Ivy kay 10. Kamura ang bagsak. Taste test. Magic Chew Apple. Hindi ko nag-apple oy. Gusto ko lemon. Ay, lemon. Yash! Para kita po. Ikaw una. Ilan na kanin ko? Apple mo sa akong taste.
Sila ba?
Taste test.
Yeah! Yeah!
Abolante.
Katul kaya akong kaspa.
Wala mag-taste test man yun. Ikaw nang namin kasi bukas pa. Audrey, mag-taste test.
So good!
O yung wala. Higa mo ni yung kunin mo hawad. Ikaw, wala ko